Hello everyone, welcome to Mama Africa's kitchen. Today we are going to make crispy chickpea in air fryer. We are going to make snacks. So these are my chickpea in a can. You just rinse them and dry them, that's it. So I'm going to use paprika, garlic salt, chili powder, a little bit of chili powder for the kick, and turmeric, and a little bit of olive oil. That's it. So, let me put my air fryer on. It's going to take about 15 to 20 minutes. So yeah, our chickpea, the chickpeas. These are 2 cans, guys. 2 cans, guys. So a little bit of paprika. 1 teaspoon should be okay. And half a teaspoon of turmeric. That's okay. Then we're gonna have add our garlic salt. So we are not going to use salt because the garlic salt already have salt. It's in the name, guys. So 1 teaspoon of garlic salt and a little bit of chili, not too much, just a tiny bit. Just a tiny bit of a cake, maybe a 1/4 teaspoon. That's enough. Now we are going to add our oil, our olive oil. A little bit of olive oil. That's good enough. Just mix it. That's it. Look how pretty. Look how pretty. This is it. Now we are going to put it inside our air fryer. If you don't have air fryer, you can use the oven. Just use your oven, put them in bake. This is it. These are very good for snacking, healthy snack. Healthy snack. You can put them in your salad. You can just snack with it like that. So that's it, we'll wait. Welcome back, guys. It's done. It's ready. It's ready. Oh my God. It's crisp. You can hear the sound. Very crisp. So look at what I'm having it with, guys. This is my freshly squeezed lemon juice. Homemade. So I want to go to my backyard and enjoy my snack. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with friends and family. Bye now. Bye.